Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, I'm down here at, I think it's called Lake Butler Skate Park, and I'm heading up to Kona. I got the premiere tomorrow, the documentary, which I'm super excited for. But I saw this skate park randomly in the middle of my path there, and I saw this spine ramp right here, and I just couldn't resist. I had to come here and skate it. Yeah, I grew up skating the spine in my local park, Tanner, but it's actually, when I was thinking about it, it's one of those obstacles that I just wish there was more of. I go to skate parks all over the country, all over the world really, and spines are like the least, like you see spines the least of almost any, of all the obstacles at the skate parks. And they're one of my favorite things to skate, so I took a trip here. My favorite kind of spine is a single bar. Right, this one right here, I don't know if you can see, I'll try to show. This is a double bar spine, so it kind of makes it harder for, you're doing feeble grinds, Smith grinds, things like that. You got to get the wheel over, you got to make sure you don't get stuck. When you're doing tail stalls or nose blunts, you're kind of like not, you just got to do these like weird shimmies. But still a spine nonetheless, so I'm gonna try to get a bunch of tricks on this thing. I'm gonna start with 25 and we'll go from there. I don't wanna say 50 and then just be like, what did I get myself into? So we'll start with 25 and we'll go from there. See, a trick like that, much harder on a double spine. Okay, 5 down. I'm not going to include like, blunt stall, 50-50, like the basic ones. I feel like I actually want to push myself and get some tricks I'm psyched on. Oh yeah. Ah. Oh my God. I was gonna say I landed on my bad knee, but technically like this is my bad knee. This is just my recent bad knee. Oh, wow. That was a good one. Oh my God. I don't even know what happened. Wow. You know what? Pretty sure we're gonna be doing 25 tricks today. Oh. I feel like I'm playing with fire today. Just gotta make sure I get all the way over onto the second bar. All right, guys, looks like we're only doing 10 tricks on the spine today because we just got kicked out. Thanks, man. Have a good day.
They'll be open up at 5.
Cool. All right, well, that's a bummer. That spine was awesome. I was having a blast on it. I had a bunch of tricks I was excited to try, but yeah, can't skate there. So I'm gonna look up another skate park to hit now. It's a small little park, but it's actually kind of awesome. It's got a bunch of cool features, a bunch of nice quarter pipes, and it's right on a little lake over here. All right, so in yesterday's video, I talked about how I'm terrible at front blunts and just front 180s in general. So this quarter pipe right here, it's calling me. I gotta do front blunt on it today. I'll probably mess around, try to get it to like 5.0 first and just get the feeling, but it just actually started drizzling right now, so I might have to just jump straight into it. It's actually coming down faster than I thought it was going to. Alright. I'm not trying to get hurt. I feel like it's going to be deceivingly slippery. I don't think you can see that in the camera, but I just ate it trying to get up the tranny. All right, 0 for 2 today. This was a little bit out of the way, not too bad, like 15 minutes off my path. But yeah, I'm gonna head up north now and maybe we'll find another park that's not raining over there. Okay, I just got to Wadsworth Skate Park. And this might be the best prefab park I've ever seen. Like, look at these obstacles. When do you ever see something like that at a skate park? And look at this. I mean, I've never seen a rail like that. 25 years of skating all over the place. I have never seen a rail like that in my life. Look at this thing. One side's flat. That's like, we have like a spot like that in New York. That's like a famous spot. It's almost replicating it. These recycled plastic ledges, perfect height, slide really well. Like those are fun. Look at this little setup, different size boxes. I mean, this place literally has everything you could ask for. A higher ledge. Got the mini ramp over here. And I kind of want to continue my spine challenge because it has one, but I'm not really trying to have this brand new board go through this puddle here. So might opt out and skate this little one over here. It's another spine, but it's got this flat top here. So we'll see. Definitely higher potential to slip out, but you know, my board won't get soaked, so I think that's what I'm going to be skating. And Jersey barrier. I mean, this park literally has everything. Look at that. Perfect. And then finally, skateboard ledge / little kicker thing. That's awesome. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna skate probably any of that stuff. I need to finish. My brain has just been locked on that I stopped at trick number 10 of that 25 trick challenge on the spine. So I got at least 15 more on this thing. So yeah, let me get started on that. You probably won't believe me, but that was first try somehow. It's kind of hard to keep my shoulders turned to go fakie. Okay, 15 down. I think it's actually gotten harder, even though the spine got easier. Because now, like, some of the tricks I would have done are way too easy for this spine, or they just don't like work as well, like disaster tricks. So yeah, it definitely feels like these tricks are like a little bit harder. All right, let's mess around with some nose blunts. Oh yeah, ow. Yeah. Come on. Knees just gotta stay together for a few more tricks. Oh. All right, those felt pretty good. I don't know if I have 5 more that can top that, but I'm gonna try. That is frightening. No coping is so dangerous. Keep slipping out. I keep missing. This one's at MBD for me. That took way too long. So I'll take that. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Ah. Oh, no. Wow, that was exhausting, but also really rewarding. Those last 5 tricks I've never done before, so feels good to learn a few new ones. But yeah, some of those definitely took a long time to get. In particular, the last one, probably spent a good half hour just trying that. All right, that's it for me. Tomorrow is the documentary premiere at Kona, so if you guys are in the area, pop in. Documentary starts at 7:30, but we'll be skating before, skating the mini ramp and stuff like that at like 6. So if you're in the area, pop in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.